How to fix FPS in League of Legends. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix FPS in League of Legends. So let's get started. First of all, click on your profile and then click on settings. And then over here at the left side, you're going to click on League of Legends. And here you're going to click on this button that says repair. After that, you can click on start repair and your League of Legends will be fixed and the FPS will be fixed. However, if that doesn't resolve your issue, you can go to the search bar and type for task manager. And over here, what you're going to do is click on this option that says startup. So you gotta just search for startup and click on it, and over here you'll be able to see all of the applications that are enabled. So you can try disabling all of these and then run your game and your FPS issue would be fixed. If not, you can come here and sort manually by all of your CPUs, that how much CPU is a specific application taking, and you can just end that specific task and try running your League of Legends again and your issue would be resolved. However, if it still doesn't, you can go to the search bar again and type for firewall. So you gotta click on the one that says defender firewall, and once you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you gotta do at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you gotta find the option that says allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And here click on change settings, and once you click on change settings, you gotta find the option of Riot. So just search for Riot or League of Legends, whichever you want. So you can just search for that, and now you can see this is a Riot client. Make sure both of these boxes are checked. Or you can also, if you're not able to find it over here, you can click on allow another app and add the address manually. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is head over to the start bar again and click on Riot. Right click on Riot client and open the location of the file. And over here, what you're going to do is click on right click again and click on open file location, and then come over here and copy this. So once you copy this, what you're going to do is head over to this here again and click on allow another app, and then you gotta paste that specific path over here. So in order to do that, you can click on browse and then search for that specific file. So for that, you can go to at the top and paste that location over here and then click on open. And by doing so, your issue would be resolved. So that was how you can fix FPS in League of Legends. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.